Now, question number 7. Question number 7 of exercise 7.6. The question says 3 points coordinate are given. A is given to me as 3 comma 6. Okay. B is given to me as 2 comma minus 1. And C is given to me as 6 comma 7. C is given to me as 6 comma 7. These are the few things which are given to me right now. Now, what is the next thing they are saying? The point F, there is a point F is the foot of perpendicular from A to BC. Now, for instance, this just a rough sketching. This is my A point, this is my B point, and this is my C point. Okay, for instance, this is the thing given to me, and I have now they are saying it is a foot, it is the foot of perpendicular. So this is the thing given to us. Now they are saying foot of perpendicular, and for the foot of perpendicular they are saying F is the foot of perpendicular. What does it mean? Foot of perpendicular from A to BC. This is the whole statement given. So what does it mean? First of all, I am connecting BC. This is the line, and I have made a line from A on BC which is perpendicular. Which is perpendicular. And foot of perpendicular means, like we have got foot of perpendicular in question number 5 also, and in an example also, but they have just changed the name. In question number 5, when we have found F, we have said call it as point of intersection of two perpendicular lines. Now they have changed the scenario. What they have done, they have, instead of saying find the intersection point of two perpendicular lines, they have named it as foot of perpendicular. So how to find this foot of perpendicular? I have to find this equation, okay, and I have to find this equation. And after that, I will solve both equations simultaneously to get this coordinate, which is the point of intersection of two perpendicular lines. And in this case, they are calling it as foot of perpendicular. Okay, so whatever we have done in question number 5, I am going to repeat the same thing over here. What I need? Equation of this line and equation of this line. Okay, so and you have to be have a very firm grip on these questions, because there will be two parallel line concept is also in this exercise, in which I will be first converting the question in this type and then I will be solving it. So you have to have a firm grip of this question. Okay, now how to find the equation of this line and how to find the equation of this line? First of all, I am talking about this line. The line is formed by using B and C. So what I can do? Gradient of BC y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Gradient of the line is coming 2. Gradient of the line is coming 2. Okay. Now, this line which is given over here is perpendicular to this line, because they are saying foot of perpendicular, it means this line is perpendicular, which means if the gradient of this line is 2, what will be the gradient of this line? It will be negative reciprocal. So reciprocal of 2 will be 1 over 2. Negative of this sign will be, negative means whatever is the sign over here, that is plus, change it and put it over here and it becomes minus. So I have got the value. Okay. Now what is the next thing I have to do? I have to find the equation of line. I have to find the equation of line. Which line? Line BC. Equation of line BC. Okay. Two formulas are there. Y equals to mx plus c, or y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. In this scenario, I'm using this one. Y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. But again, it's my choice. You can use y equals to mx plus c also, beta. Okay. So y will remain y. Now b and c, both coordinates are given. B and C, both coordinate are given. It's totally your choice, whichever you want to put over here, okay, to get your answer. Either B coordinate or C coordinate. It's totally your choice. I'm going to solve it by both, so you can get the idea, okay, whatever I will be taking, the result will be same. First of all, I'm going for B. Y minus 1, M was coming 2, X minus x1. Simplifying it, y plus 1 equals to 2x minus 4. Shifting it over here, y equals to 2x minus 5. Okay, in this scenario, I have used this one. Now I'm going to do the same thing with C also, so you can get the idea better. Y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. Okay, y minus 6 equals to 2 times x minus 7. Okay, simplifying it, y minus 6 equals to 2x minus 14, right? And y equals to 2x, 2 to the 4. 1 minute. I have made a mistake. This is 7 and this is 6. Okay. So minus 12 plus 7, y equals to 2x minus 5. See, from both sides, the values are coming same. Okay. So I have got this equation, which is coming y equals to 2x minus 5. But I need this equation also to get this point. How will I do it? I have got the coordinate, a coordinate, that is 3, 6. I have got the gradient of the line, which is half. So y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. Again, it's your choice, whatever you want to use. So y minus y1 will be 6, m minus half, x minus x1 will be 3. Shifting 2 over here, 2y minus 12 equals to minus x plus 3. 2y plus x equals to 12 plus 3. So 2y plus x equals to 15. What is that? This is the equation of this line. 2y plus x equals to 15. Okay. After that, I have got this equation of line. I have got this equation of line. What I have to find? Foot of perpendicular. What is the foot of perpendicular? Basically, foot of perpendicular means intersecting point of these two perpendicular lines. Okay, so in order to find the coordinates of f, what will I do? This equation, x plus 2y equals to 15. This equation, 2x minus y equals to 5. Okay, these two have got different signs, so I'm going to make their coefficient same. This is coefficient 2, so I will multiply this whole thing by 2, and when I will multiply this whole thing by 2, this will become 4x minus 2y equals to 10. Okay, what I have done, in order to make, signs were different. In order to make the coefficient same, I have multiplied this whole thing by 2. Okay. Now, adding both equation, x plus 4x will be 5x, 2y minus 2y will be cancelled, 15 plus 10 will be 25, which means x will be equals to 5. Okay, I have got the value of x. Now either you can plot it over here or plot it over here to get the value of y. I am plotting it in this one. Y equals to 2, 5 minus 5. 2 5s are 10, 10 minus 5 will be 5. When I will simplify it, my answer of this is coming 5. So this coordinate is coming 5 comma 5. That is called the foot of perpendicular coordinates. Okay, now next they are asking for the perpendicular distance from A to line BC. The perpendicular distance from line A to BC. Now, what you have to do basically, perpendicular distance, I have to find this distance. Okay, so I have got this coordinate and I have got F coordinate also. So what will I do? I have to find the value of AF. I have to get the value of AF. If I will find the value of AF, I will have the perpendicular distance. So now what they can do in the question? They can do in the question that they can give you a point, they can give you a straight line, and they will tell you find the perpendicular distance between the line and the point. So keep in your mind that first of all you have to follow this whole scenario. Things will be very easy. A point is there and a line is there. Find its perpendicular distance. But in order to find the perpendicular distance, first of all you should have a foot of perpendicular. And foot of perpendicular means the intersection point of two perpendicular lines. First you have to get that thing. Okay, like I have found over here. Once I have got F coordinate, which is 5 comma 5, and I have got A coordinate, that is 3 comma 6, I will just put it in the distance formula and I will have AF value. Okay.